Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Credit. First, understand that Roblox Credit is a digital currency used to buy Robux or a premium subscription. It's a super flexible way to enhance your Roblox experience, letting you access exclusive items and features. We'll cover the most straightforward and secure ways to add credit to your account, ensuring you can enjoy all that Roblox has to offer without any hassle. Let's dive right in. One primary method to get Roblox Credit is by purchasing it directly through the official Roblox website. This is a very secure and straightforward process. You can use common payment options like major credit cards, PayPal, or even some mobile payment services. Just navigate to the Robux or Premium section, select your desired amount, and follow the prompts. It's designed to be quick and easy, getting you back to your games in just a few moments. Another fantastic way to acquire Roblox Credit is by using Roblox gift cards. These cards are widely available at numerous physical retail stores, such as supermarkets and electronics shops, and also from many online retailers. They come in convenient denominations, typically ranging from $10 to $50, making them perfect for gifts or for setting a budget. Simply purchase a card, and you'll receive a code to redeem for credit. Once you have a gift card, redeeming your Roblox Credit is simple. Head over to the official Roblox redemption page on their website. You'll find a field to enter the unique code from your gift card. After successfully entering the code, the credit will be immediately added to your Roblox account balance. From there, you can use your newly acquired credit to purchase Robux or subscribe to Roblox Premium, unlocking even more fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.